Doug Thompson. We're here in the shop today and got a fun little project, I think. These are some universal tongs from Blacksmith Depot, and they handle and hold a lot of different things. Pretty big, and they're, I think, great for larger material. But I've got a set of these ugly vice grip pliers I've had forever. And I think I'm going to convert these into this, but on a smaller scale, so that between the two I'll have kind of a universal set of tongs for larger stock and smaller stock. There we go. So I've got a piece of 3/16 by 2. I'm going to be coming in and out of the forge a lot, so I'm going to weld some onto that so I can hold it, so I don't have to be full of it. So I'm going to ask Shane what in the world this is.
Okay. But this is for probably polybutylene, as old as that is, back in the day.
All right. Huh. We're going to make some small ones that replicate this. But I've got to make this element here, and we got to make that element there. So we've got to drive a punch down into there. All the way down the bottom. I just grabbed this just a piece of something. So now I've got to align all of these. So what I'll do is I'll do that. I'm going to hold that down. This down. I probably can just use magnets. Yeah, the heat comes in, as I said before, it can like that. So watch what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to keep this into an oval. I might have done it. Which way do I want that to bend? So just a little bend. I'm putting it over the edge of the anvil. I think that's pretty good right there. Okay, can you close your eyes for me, please?
Yeah.
Tell me when your eyes are closed.
They're closed.
Okay, well done. Get this minute, please. So I think you're going to hold it just like that. Okay, eyes closed.
It's closed.
Well done. Where you want. But we'd like that dropped. We'd like the rod to drop in pretty flat. Yep. Touch off, back up, really get on it. Get into the corner. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. Get off it. There you go. There we go. That's what it is. I'll pull down on the pedal with you. It's round, no problem.
So the plan is get the shop built, get this done, and then my son has a 75 scout.
I mean, that is solid. It's really gripping it. Feel that.
Oh, gorgeous. That was beautiful.
And you can go transversely too.
I gotta put down Shane's phone. Let's do it transversely.
Huh?
How's that spring?
Perfect.
Ah,